Hello, hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JJ's Cryptic Corner. Trying a little something new today. Kind of digging it so far. Market is also trying a little bit something new today. We'll see what happens. Are you guys ready? Tishu said, yo, what's going on, Tishu? Alright. Alright. I like that. Guys, smash the like button for the new intro music potential. Thank you guys for joining. Happy Wednesday. Is it Wednesday? Yeah, today's Wednesday. Alright. Let's yes, it is Synthwave. Yes, it is. Let's get this webcam going. Hey, happy Wednesday, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Zhao said crypto is effing lame lately. I agree. Tishu said Synthwave. Yes, indeed. It's quite a vibe. It's 10 minutes long and it loops very well. I might try it as background music. I gotta figure out what good volume is though for background music. But I like it. It's a good one. Zhao said, "Come on, Bitcoin, pump us." Yeah, I'm thinking we're gonna do a double bottom situation like this, which is unfortunate because it's gonna suck. I can sit here all day and be like, "Well, we gotta plan for it, and you gotta know it's gonna happen," but I'm not gonna feel nice when this happens. I'm sure nobody else is. You can plan for stuff all day long. It still feels like crap when it goes down. If we do a double bottom like this, I think there's potential for some continued upside. Totally guessing. Tishu said you like Gunship. I don't know what that is actually. Zhao said BG music for the win. But yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of just feeling the situation out. This is a fractal from last January actually. This white fractal is the entirety of January 2021. And it actually matches up quite well starting at January 13th, 2025. Or maybe even earlier. Yeah, no, January 13th. So the concept here is that the timeline is stretched out, which is the whole extended cycle, diminishing returns concept that people have always tossed around. Tishu said Gunship music. Please check them out. Oh, I'll check them out for sure then. Okay. All right, yeah, guys, let's see. This is just kind of a guess based on previous bull market specifically. But let's get our liquidation heat map updated. Bitcoin's currently trading at 96,549. Last time we got this big rip down because of the tariff news. And then they said we're going to put a hold on the tariffs for 30 days. And we got a really, really, really nice rebound out of that. Now, there's no reason behind this. The market's just kind of fizzling out. Which, I'm sure everyone can come out and say this is why or that's why, but there's no definitive, big gut punch news. It's just kind of chilling. And this might be the bottom for all we know. I have no idea. But I'm sitting here watching it the same as you guys. Let's get our liquidation heat map up to date. Zoom in and see what we got. I think we're gonna have a Jackass night tonight. Me and the family. I think we're gonna sit down and watch all 3 Jackass movies, or 4. I think there's 4 now. Let's see. We got 31 million sitting in 96,286, and then we got 31 million, 33, 96, 132. I guess I'll put that in there. Yeah, Waterfly said, like you losers. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Tyler said, it's been depressing since early December. I think it depends on what coins you were in. I'd say the first week of January was very exciting. After that, it was super boring. And then we're in February now. We had the inauguration, mid-January. 98, 128. I don't know about you guys, but this liquidation heat map has me a little bit excited. There's a lot of liquidity to the north. 98,282, which is exciting. 98,589. We're also starting a little bit early today, guys, because I have 0 work obligations at the moment. So we're going to be streaming a lot more. 98,896, which is why you guys should smash the like button. 98 or 99, 99,049. And then the big boy. Ooh, a lot of liquidity right there. I guess it's nothing crazy, but it starts at 99,203. I'll leave that by itself, and I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker. And then we know above that is even better. So let's see where the market takes us. Let me check the chat really quick. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. Hoff said you can argue we are 3 months of sideways. That argument could be made. I might just agree with you on that. Tyler said, I just crazy gains. Like, come on. I don't think it's exciting if my portfolio doesn't hit all-time high. That's fair. That's fair. Exciting is subjective. I'm just making up lost gains, LOL. Right. Yeah, I feel that, man. I feel that. I was okay on day one. Day one I was doing totally fine, and then day 2 and day 3 now, or whatever it is now, day 4, I'm starting to feel it, Mr. Krabs. Hoff said 96.3 or higher would be an okay close, back above the trend line. I'm just watching this fractal, man. I'm waiting for another touch of 94 too. Get a double bottom setup. If you think about it, we've just been putting in higher lows, so it's not like the end of the world, but alts, man, alts do not like this right now. They are freaking out. I don't really know what to make of it. Let's see, what's Total 3 up to? Total 3 is down 2.57%. Yeah, Total 3 might double bottom before anything else. Perez plays said I'm back, 39.26. Perez plays at 6:50 p.m. EST if you want to participate in the daily close contest. Keep that in mind. It's 56 minutes away. Hour and 56. Nope. Yeah, no, it's 56 minutes away. I was right. 56 minutes. All right, let's see. Bitcoin dominance. See, again, this looks like it might be setting up a flag, which is scary. I don't want it to be setting up a flag. I want it to be topped out, and I want it to die. Go away, please. Bitcoin, still chilling. 96,507. ETH is actually green today. 1.12%. Holding up quite well. A lot of FUD lately. A lot of FUD. A lot of people talking crap. Everyone thinks ETH is dead. Even the ETH maxis have like flipped. They fully flipped now. So it's definitely getting interesting for Ethereum. Sol, 196 and 21 cents. Kind of a double bottom here on Sol. It didn't really dump that hard. It looked like it was trying really hard to dump, and it just couldn't do it. It just like stayed up here, and it's like chilling. It's like the softest falling knife that has ever happened. Total 3 kind of looks similar to Sol. Pretty similar. Sol has more wicks on the bottom though. It looks like Sol got bought up faster and more aggressively. ADA down almost 2% on the day. Not faring too well, I will say. And I hate it when this happens because you could just tell like the pattern is just like dump, chop, dump, chop, dump, chop, and it looks like it's going to continue. This pattern never looks like it's going to reverse ever. SNEK is down 7.22%. Maybe a potential double bottom for this as well. I don't know. It's hard to chart a low liquidity meme coin. As much as they've accomplished, I don't really try to chart this. I just accumulate. XRP is down 6.21% today. Also, potential double bottom. Everything has the exact same setup in their charts right now. Every single thing. HBAR, same thing. HBAR broke back down out of its little accumulation zone. Let's see. Tyler said, damn, JJ, you can't even tell time. I did it right the first time. Teach said, remember when I called, well, 70% plus drop from the highs? It actually did. Did it? Let's see. We're on HBAR. You're talking Bitcoin? Bitcoin didn't do no 70% plus from the highs. Alts probably did. What are you talking about specifically, Teach you? SWE is down 7.54%. Yeah, I don't know, man. SWE's going through it right now. So we talked about this. Is this the double bottom? Is it going to do one of these? So I guess I'll erase this because it's no longer relevant. And we'll keep the blue one there, see if that's what plays out. The same concept is still in play. Render's down 4.45%. Render actually held very well inside of its accumulation zone. It is quite a large accumulation zone, though. But we had it drawn on here, closed inside of it, so it's looking good. As long as she can stay above, what is that, 432, then we'll be okay. Bare minimum 4 is that huge psychological area that we want to hold. Polkadot, yeah, same concept as the other alts. It's just kind of wrecked right now, and we're looking for it to be less wrecked, show some kind of signs of a reversal. Cass, same thing, double bottom on Cass. I don't know, Cass has been also eating it pretty hard. It's been harsh for Cass, man. Let's see, Zhao said, that's the only thing making me feel better. When you just said everything looks the same, it does, it really does. Zhao said, Waterfly, don't worry, bro. We're going to come back. Yeah, Waterfly said, my poor HBAR. Huff said, remember when Tyler wanted us to buy $2 Pinlink? I bought it. I did. He said, can you look at Demo? I can look at Demo when I'm done going through the chart. Teacher said Moonwell. Same with that. We'll start with Moonwell, and then we'll do Demo. Tyler said, Huff Pinlink is going to do great things. You just wait and find out. Tyler, you're supposed to wait to say that as well. I was the same way with Cardano. I still am. Hoff said, sweet buy at 240. Zhao said, Waterfly, HBAR is my largest bag by a long shot, even when it was 5 cents. Damn. You guys are diehard HBAR fans. Avalanche. Ooh, Avalanche is actually holding its green trend line. Good. Good. That's what we want to see. Chainlink. Chainlink looks beautiful. I don't know why Chainlink has been holding up so well. Doge down 3.35%. Same as everything else. Ondo. So we had a viewer the other day. Tyler said, hey, to be fair, JJ, I sent you that money. That is true. That is true. I forgot about that. Tyler made a donation that I bought HBAR, or not HBAR, Pinlink with. So technically, it's like house money. So we had a viewer the other day ask, what should I put 5K on during the tariff doom? And I said, I'm not going to tell you what you should put 5K on, but I will tell you if I had 5K, what I would put it on if I needed to buy right now. And I decided on Ondo, and they did. And they replied to one of my comments, or they replied to the stream the day before yesterday, and they said, I missed the stream, but I killed it with Ondo. So, very happy to hear. That was pretty sick. That's pretty cool. That's probably one of my proudest moments so far since I started streaming. That's freaking cool. And it was like the only coin that like rebounded that aggressively. Arrow, super duper sideways, chilling. This fractal might just be irrelevant now? I don't know. Honestly, that dump recovery looks very similar to this, which eventually went up. This is what I mean. I think that everything that recovers is going to look like this. It's going to take a minute, and then it's going to start to finally, I guess, bubble up. And each time it hits one of these points, everyone's going to be like, sell, it's going to zero, and then it's going to recover. They're going to buy back. It's going to go down here. Sell, it's going to zero. It's going to recover. They'll buy back. It's going to go down here, and then sell, it's going to zero. Then that's when they go, I quit. It's done. It's over. I'm leaving crypto for good. And then it's going to go bam. And they're going to come back up here. And they're going to be like, oh my gosh, guys. Isn't that great that we didn't sell our bags? and we all made so much money. It's adorable. Don't be that guy. Polygon Matic Pole. It kind of looked dead prior, but it looks even more dead now. And you know what? Maybe this was the sign of manipulation. The fact that Polkadot, Near, Avalanche, and ETH and Polygon all look the exact same. The market maker is pushing the price where they want it to go. I'm just saying. Near, I mean, we just looked, it looks the same. Chili's, actually, oddly enough, looks the same. Silver got a little bit pumpy today. Market strategy, or I guess strategy now, got a little choppy. DXY got a lot of bit dumpy. NASDAQ got a little bit pumpy. And S&P got a little bit pumpy. Back to Bitcoin dominance, currently trading at 61.4%. Bitcoin itself, 96,514. And total 3, still down 2.25 or 2.5%. Let me check the chat. Tyler said, okay, yep, he said HBAR at 0.05 here too. Zhao said, Tyler, let's effing go. Brian said, good evening all. When are we going to the moon? Psh. It is, the moon trip is delayed until further notice. Tyler said, I was HBAR maxing in 2020, 2021. Really? Hoff said, JJ does like doing, and then they will sell. And then they will sell. I quit. I mean, that's what happens, man. That's what happens every single time. Perez Plays said, and quick question, if you win, how do you get the money? Okay, so for the daily close contest, the closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you nail the first, in this case, 5 digits, like if you guess 96,279.23, or let's say you guess 96,279, you nail the first 5, then you win $5, or the 15. You win $15. If you guess 96, and it closes, it has to close at that price. So that is the price that it closes, and this is your guess. Let's say it closes at 96,279 and 23 cents. You've nailed the first 5 digits. You win $15. Now, if it closes at 96,279 and 23 cents, and that was your guess, you nail all 7. You nail the entire daily close price precisely. Every single digit. You either win $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. And you basically just contact me through Twitter or Discord. Or if you really want, you could probably just paste your whatever address of preference in the chat. It's usually probably going to be Sol. It could be Bitcoin, I'm sure, Cardano, whatever. And I'll just send it to you. And it'll be on the public ledger if anybody wants to verify it. But there's been special instances of people. Hoff specifically has actually... Hoffs has guessed over the daily close by 1 penny twice. So we sent him a mug, which was specifically designed for him, because that's crazy. That's almost more impressive than actually nailing all 7 digits. Tyler said, what if you're off by a penny? Hoff said, you get within a penny, you get a Hoff specialty coffee mug. If somebody else does it, then they'll have to start competing with Hoffs. And we'll have to have competing merch. That'd be kind of cool. Zhao said, with the robot / robo-taxi hype, AI, etc. on Tesla, do you guys think when everything goes to bear, like that giants like Tesla, Nvidia will correct heavily too? I'm FOMOing hard. I need HBAR to all-time high so I can roll a bit out to buy 100 Tesla ASAP. Feels like that's the long-term ultra play right there. I don't know. When the market gets this, like, this micro, I feel like I can't even zoom out, like, mentally. It freaks me out. All right. Let's see. Somebody wanted us to look at Demo. And Moonwell. Moonwell. So for some reason I had a line at 50. I'm assuming that's just a psychological level that I was observing. Tishu said, is now a good time to buy, in your opinion, or wait for a further drop? In my opinion, I'm ready to buy, but I'm waiting. And I'm usually overly cautious, but it kind of goes into that realm that I was talking about with the reversal. When the chart starts to look like this, it doesn't look like it's going to reverse. It does the dump, chop, dump. This one pumped, actually. But when it keeps doing the dump, chop, it never, ever looks like it's going to reverse. And then eventually it kind of does like one of these, and then this, and then it starts to go up. And you're like, oh, shoot. Like, you never see it coming. Nobody ever looks at this and goes, this is bullish. This doesn't look bullish. This looks like choppy nonsense. You know what I mean? So I'm waiting. I'm hopefully, and again, this is maybe just me being an optimist, guessing that there's potential for this double bottom setup, which is what we got last January. This white fractal is the entirety of January 2021, and it doesn't actually line up with January 2025. I started this fractal January 13th, so it's going to be off by 13 days. But yeah, I'm hoping for this double bottom setup. I have not sold any crypto. I have not moved any bags. I've made small buys, not enough to confidently say I bought the dip though. You know what I mean? I was in Georgia with no way of depositing money into my bank account. Now I'm home and there's money in my bank, so I'm ready to buy. But I don't want to just buy because now I feel like I missed the dip. This nice, fat, nasty wick, is it going to do that again? I don't know. I guess I'd rather wait and try and catch a big wick to the downside than buy now and then have it wick to the downside, with the potential of just missing it and it going up. Because if it does this, I'll feel okay. But if it does this and I bought right here, that'll feel like crap. I'd rather wait and try to buy right here. You know what I mean? But then am I going to chicken out? I don't know. All right, I'm sorry. I was looking at Moonwell. So Moonwell, this is what we're looking at. Possible accumulation zone right here. Which is where it looks like most of the liquidity has been spent. Oh boy. And what's nice is it's kind of finding support there too. My biggest question is, if it breaks down into that, is it immediately going to go to the bottom? Or is it going to try to find support in between where it has in the past? You got to kind of consider all the scenarios and then try to figure out where you'll be the most psychologically prepared. Zhao said washing machine cycle, 100%. Offset, recent wicks seem like a better spot to buy. Exactly. Slow bleeds suck balls. They do. Tyler said pin link and news, please, please. Offs, I'm going to send you pin link merch, LMAO. Hoff said it's good to have the orders in. I don't know, setting buy orders always kind of freaked me out. I did it way early on. None of them ever caught though. And then when they did eventually hit, it was because we were going into a bear market. That was amateur JJ though. I don't know if I have the mental capacity to try and set up low buy orders. Let's see. Moonwell does have bullish div right here. Problem is with this bullish div, which we've seen in the past, you'll get a nice reversal, and that might have played out already. The reversal might have played out already. Yeah, 30-ish%. So maybe. But what you'll do is you'll get a reversal and then it'll come back down, because with this divergence, the price is going down while the RSI goes up, which is what you don't want. That's the opposite of what you want. But there's a potential reversal trade in there. It is falling into its accumulation zone, just based on previous price action. Because every time it runs up past this point, past this 34 point. So you can kind of count on that as a potential take profit area. Let's look at this demo. All these coins are on Coinbase. Chewy said, why do alts suck? That is a great question, Chewy. Allow me to change the subject. Demo is actually, looks like it's potentially sitting on some support right here. You got a ton of resistance right here from the past, which it broke out, perfectly tested it as support, and used that as a gigantic springboard to then go up. It looks like a couple 100%. Yeah, 500%-ish, which is sick. And it has now officially reached that point again. Not financial advice. This is a very large, well, is it? It's like a 25% range. So if you don't think it's going to go lower than this, this might be the accumulation zone for demo, which is a weird name, by the way. There's a lot more volume and a lot more price action above that, but as far as accumulating goes, this might be the place to do it. Not financial advice, but if I was watching this thing, I'd probably start buying as soon as it hit inside that level. That's on the daily. Yeah. Oh, that would have been a beautiful buy right there. 20%. What is demo? You got divergence here as well. Very nice divergence setup, actually. I don't think that's really 10%. That might not have played out yet. And you got your nice little, like, half-assed manipulation yellow dot thing right there. Bitcoin looks like it's potentially bouncing off of the 96 area. Tyler said, because crypto sucks right now. Offset ETH BTC is up today. Let's go take a look. Yeah, a lot of people have been hating on ETH. Like, people you wouldn't expect to hate on ETH. I'm waiting for Vitalik to come out and be like, I'm leaving Ethereum and I'm going on vacation with my new boyfriend, Charlie Lee. Yeah, ETH BTC looks decent. ETH is up almost 2% today. And Bitcoin is like taking a little doo-doo nap. Like a post-poop nap. You ever take a poop so hard that you have to like take a nap afterwards? Never happened to me. It sounds very alarming though. I think I'd be scared. Like, did you get a concussion while you were pooping? Is that possible? To give yourself a concussion like without any impact? I wonder if that's a thing. Tyler said, pin link. Hoff said, something to do with getting car rewards on an app. Car rewards? What? Are you sure it's not because Fidelity bought Ethereum? Waterfly said, yes, snap. See, Waterfly knows about the delay. You guys talk about me having a memory of goldfish. Waterfly puts context in his reply because he knows that I'm not going to see it until like a minute later and I'm going to forget what I was talking about. All right, let's go take a look at pin link before Tyler has a aneurysm. I need to make the green thing in their logo bigger. There we go. All right. Pin link is still currently in the middle finger pattern. Potential W setup, maybe? But it also looks very similar to this little peter out. Is that exactly what it's doing right here? Hopefully not, but we'll see. Hoff said demo. I just did demo. We just talked about demo. Yeah, hopefully Pinlink can find a bottom. Down 100% is pretty harsh. Oh, it's down more than 100%. What in the world? So from the Pico top, down 81%. Okay, I said down 100%. You know what I meant. It's down 50% from $2. So for my buy, it's down 72%, 71%. Beautiful entry. Let's go check Pinlink news. Did I break it? What happened? Hello? It's broken. Okay, Pinlink on X. They got a fireside chat, which is not fireside chat at all. That's just a video of him. Is that the same guy? Where's his glasses and his beautiful beard? What's this crap? That's a different beard. Okay, there he is. That's what I'm talking about. Look at this beautiful man. 35K pin buyback from protocol revenue. Very cool. Urgent tariff FUD crash markets. Future of RWAs. First one-stop shop for DPIN is almost ready for launch. Tokenize, fractionalize, and earn from every source of revenue in emerging DPIN economy. MineFi. Okay, yeah, they're just doing partnerships. You know, they're just grinding. Keep on grinding. I appreciate the grind. I respect the grind. And I don't know. I like the fact that they're just kind of doing Twitter spaces when the market gets real spicy. I feel like that's good marketing. Let's see. 3 hours ago, they said when the Pinlink product suite goes live on the mainnet in the next few weeks, you will witness the birth of the world's most... these words, man. Of the world's most comprehensive one-stop ship. See, at least it's not just me. I thought I was stupid and I couldn't read. There's a typo. One-stop ship for DPIN and AI infrastructure. Here's how it all fits together. One-stop ship. Very cool. They're putting all these big words in there, and then they fumble the bag. I'm just saying. Made me feel stupid because I can't read. Hoff said, it's a DPIN crypto to do with your car. Coinbase has rewards. Go learn, Chewy. What? Oh, you want me to Google demo? Demo. Crypto. Demo. Connect your car and earn rewards. Ooh, okay. Making every car on Earth smart and programmable. The most open and secure mobility platform in the world, powering the next generation of connected car applications and services. Drivers plus fleets access innovative apps, services, and rewards for your car developers and enterprise. So what do? Can I like rent my car out with this? Value of tokens distributed, 160,000 cars connected, 50 unique models, open and trustless, private, and blah, blah, blah. The demo stack, apps and service, SDK, protocol. Give me the TLDR. Native blockchain and token of the demo protocol issued to users and contributors. And it's used for accessing data, building on the network, and voting on upgrades. Okay. Making that crypto driving with Demo and Soar Chain. Earn crypto driving. Demo LTE R1. Demo Live. Price chart. Brings back the joy that by
unlocking your car's hidden data, giving you access to insights, rewards, and experiences that make every ride smoother. There's no hidden data. Calm down. Oh, this one's different. Why is there a different website? What? Download the demo app, unlock driving insights, earn weekly rewards. Okay, so they have a little thingy too. They can throw in there. Interesting. Interesting. Your data, your choice. Okay, so I wonder if they actually sell the data from the drivers as well, and they like share that revenue. That's actually kind of smart. You know who else does that? Your car insurance company. When you do the drive safe and save little plug and play thing, and they raise your bill because you hit the brakes too hard one time, because I guess they would rather have you drive into the deer. I bet you they sell your income or your information as well. Chewy said, I don't even know what DPIN is. Falling behind quickly. I don't know. DPIN's been a buzzword for like at least a year. It's decentralized physical infrastructure. Hoff said, Proppy pin link, dump are examples. Chainlink is the top one. Fahid said, When Moon. Hoff said, I think RWA and DPIN. RWA is real world asset, which is like housing market or like your car. If you tokenized cars or whatever, you sold them on the blockchain. DPIN is decentralized physical infrastructure, which is usually just like computing power, like sharing your GPU power or like website hosting, like hard drive server situation, stuff like that. Like a cloud service on the blockchain would be DPIN, decentralized physical infrastructure. Chewy said, Ando, we never hit the top of that falling wedge yet. Sounds like an app to get your car hacked. It wouldn't get your car hacked. They're probably taking your data, selling it for like, let's say $500, and then they give you like $5. And they're like, well, you did a good job. Good job. And you're like, oh, sick. I got $5 for just driving around. And meanwhile, you know, they're like having parties with Bill Gates and stuff. What was I going to do? Oh, yeah. Ando. Chewy. We had a guy. I know you'll appreciate this because you're an Ando guy. We had a guy come in the other day during the mega dump, the tariff dump of doom, and he said, if I had 5K, or what should I put 5K on right now? And I said, I can't tell you what to put 5K on right now, but I will tell you what I would put 5K on right now if I had 5K and I had to buy something right now. And I went through the charts and I said, Ando. That was the only coin I said. I said I would put 5K on Ando. And he said, done. And he put 5K on Ando, and then it had the most violent, like, punch in the face recovery ever, and it was amazing. And he commented on the stream from 2 days ago, and he said, shoot, I missed it, but let me see. No, was it the one from yesterday? 1 day ago. Damn, JJ, missed you yesterday. I didn't get notification. Thank you for the Ando advice. I killed it. So that made me feel good. It's pretty badass. I think that's my proudest moment so far as a streamer. So cheers. Cheers to many more victories for all of us. But yeah, Ando looks great. It really does. Like, everything considered, everything that has went down, Ando literally, it didn't even, when you consider candle closes on the 4 hour, it didn't even lose the low. It didn't even lose the local low. It previously hit $1.10, and it actually closed the 4 hour candle above that. It closed the 4 hour candle at $1.13. That's freaking sick. Like, sure, it wicked. Damn, could you imagine getting into this 90 cent? Whoever had the buy order there, even just here, this 95. Let's say you hit this 95. You're just up 36% right now. Just a casual 36% in like 24 hours. That's awesome. Let's see. We got the daily close coming up in actually about 20 minutes. Wow, time flies, doesn't it? That's weird. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. We got a couple articles to read. Let me go back to my watch list and see what the market looks like. Some of the scams are making little baby comebacks, but as of right now, everything looks like a rug. I guess it happens, man. I guess it happens. Regular deck screener, looks like doo-doo. A bunch of stuff that nobody's ever heard of that probably just launched today. How's Buttcoin launching at 23 million? Oh, this is old. Wow. Actually, that's quite impressive. Imagine being the guy that bought down here and you're up 1900%. That's actually awesome. All right, I'm sorry. I'm getting sidetracked. We got some articles to read. Let's go through them. Don't forget to smash the like button. We got CFTC acting chair. Oops. Says the agency is ending regulation by enforcement. The commission will divide its enforcement responsibilities into two task forces focused mainly on complex fraud and retail fraud. I like that. Caroline Pham, acting chair of the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, announced that the agency would be winding down its practice of regulation by enforcement, likely impacting its approach to crypto firms during the Trump administration. In a February 4th notice, Pham said the CFTC was restructuring its priorities for its division of enforcement to focus on fraud, suggesting that the move will stop regulation by enforcement against good citizens. The commission will divide its responsibilities into two task forces focused mainly on retail fraud and violations of the Commodity Exchange Act and complex fraud and manipulation. You want to know why they're doing this? Because Trump probably came in and was like, or whoever, the new administration stepped in and they were like, this all looks fucked up. And the CFTC probably went and looked at it and they were like, yeah, you know what? You're right. Voyager collapsed and stole everyone's money. Celsius collapsed and stole everyone's money. BlockFi collapsed and stole everyone's money. Luna collapsed and stole everyone's money. Voyager was like approved like viciously by everybody in the government. Celsius was approved by everyone in the government. BlockFi was approved by everyone in the government. Luna was approved by everyone in the government. Why or how? What was the purpose of any of that, the safety nets, if they literally did the opposite? They just let these people walk in the front door and sell snake oil to everybody in the lobby. So I'm glad something's actually happening. Next article. Alchemy Pay acquires Korea Electronic Financial Business Registration. By investing in a local e-commerce platform, Alchemy Pay has acquired a business license to offer financial services in the country. Cryptocurrency payment provider Alchemy Pay has acquired an electronic financial business registration in South Korea after investing in a local e-finance platform, allowing the company to offer a wider range of financial services in the country. According to a February 5th announcement, Alchemy Pay invested an undisclosed amount into EasyPG Co. In doing so, Alchemy Pay acquired EasyPG's Electronic Financial Business Registration, which is governed by the country's Electronic Financial Transactions Act. Companies that have obtained this registration can offer a wide range of financial services in South Korea, including money transfers, online payment gateway services, and digital asset services. With the registration, Alchemy Pay can now process crypto asset transactions and provide access to local payment methods, including Kakao Pay, Payco, and Naver Pay. Alchemy Pay, which is based in Singapore, has identified South Korea as a pivotal hub in Asia for both traditional finance and digital currency adoption. Nice. South Korean crypto adoption. Beyond payments, cryptocurrencies have become popular investments for South Koreans. In November 2024, the country's crypto holder base was estimated at 15.6 million, or more than 30% of the population. Wow. According to Democratic Party of Korea Representative Lim Kwang-hyun. The country is home to several crypto exchanges, the most popular being Upbit and BitThumb. Institutional investors have also been driving the adoption of cryptocurrencies in the country, according to a recent report by Chainalysis. South Korea is Asia's largest crypto market in terms of total value received. Nice. Mistrust in the traditional finance system has led investors to seek out cryptocurrencies as an alternative asset in Korea, a local exchange representative told Chainalysis. The public's perception of crypto as a viable investment option has been further solidified by adoption of blockchain by major corporations like Samsung and large enterprises in the region that are working to enhance operational transparency and efficiency. Very cool. Adoption 2.0. Let me check the chat really quick. It looks like Bitcoin is coming down a little more. Hitting some liquidation points. Chewy said, nice JJ, good call. I was pretty proud of that one. Offset, I have orders set at 108 and 112 for Ondo now. Let's go check on Ondo. Yeah, dude, anything around $1 would be sick. All right. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Wednesday. Let's get back. We got 2 more articles to go through, and we got 17 minutes until the daily close contest. Let's see. FDIC releases 790 pages of crypto-related letters and regulatory pivot. The FDIC also looks forward to engaging with the President's Working Group on Digital Asset Marketing. Acting Chairman Travis Hill wrote, the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, the regulatory body overseeing banks in the United States, has released 790 pages of additional correspondence related to firms offering crypto services to clients. According to the FDIC, the documents show requests from banks and other institutions to offer crypto services to clients were almost always met with resistance, delays, constant requests for more information, and pause letters. The newly revealed document tranche included previously released correspondence from 24 banking firms and additional correspondence from other firms that requested permission to offer crypto-related services. Looking forward, we are actively reevaluating our supervisory approach to crypto-related activities, FDIC Acting Chairman Travis Hill wrote, marking a seismic shift in the government agency's stance toward the crypto industry. Nice. FDIC exposed in Freedom of Information Act request. Coinbase filed 2 Freedom of Information Act requests for FDIC documents related to the debanking of crypto firms under Operation Choke Point 2.0 in October 2024. One of the requests sought documentation related to a 15% cap on bank deposits from crypto-related companies. A U.S. court released the initial tranche of FDIC documents in December 2024, which included several heavily redacted pause letters sent to banks offering crypto services or products to clients. Following the public release of documents, the U.S. Judge Anna Reyes chastised the FDIC for the heavy redactions and ordered the agency to produce more transparent documents. The FDIC cannot simply blanket redact everything that is not an article or a preposition, Judge Reyes wrote in December 12th order, which characterized the redactions as a lack of good faith effort. Ooh, that's so good. Wyoming Senator Cynthia Lummis, badass by the way, accused the FDIC of destroying documents related to Operation Choke Point 2.0 in January 2025 and instructed the agency to preserve all records relating to digital asset activities from 2022 onward. Senator Lummis also threatened to make criminal referrals to the U.S. Department of Justice if the destruction of evidence by FDIC employees was discovered by the Senate Banking Committee. That's pretty sick. I like that, dude. And last one. This one's a bit of a fart article, but, we got to look at both sides, so bear with me. Alt season ended in 2024. Bitcoin dominance should hit 71% before it returns. What's it at right now? Bitcoin dominance right now is at 61.39%. Ondo is getting a nice little bounce. What does it say? 74%. 71%. So wait a minute. Before we read that, let me turn off this stupid, there we go. 74%. What did it get to recently? Like, what was its peak? That's 2017. Oops. So before, yeah, no, it ain't going to no 74%. What kind of drugs are they on? It hasn't been to 74% since 2017. Get out of here. So I will say my January fractal actually called for a new high, a new local high for Bitcoin dominance, and we just got that, which is beautiful. It didn't close up there, but we actually just closed our highest daily close for Bitcoin dominance yesterday at 61.37%, where previously it was 61.18%. So we did get our double top on Bitcoin dominance, which was my initial thought, my initial call, I guess you could call it, for Bitcoin dominance back in December, January. So now that we got that, I'm hoping we encounter some heavy resistance and we start going down. But this article is calling for 74%, which doesn't make any sense because we haven't had 74% or higher since 2017. So let's get back into the article and see what their justification is. Bitcoin's crypto market cap dominance has historically reached 71%. Okay, I keep apparently being dyslexic. Before alt season begins, notes Rect Capital. Bitcoin dominance of the overall crypto market needs to pass 70% to restart alt season. His latest ex-post, popular trader and analyst Rect Capital warned that the most recent alt season has already finished. Bitcoin market cap dominance spiked to near 4-year highs this week as altcoins took major losses amid a broad risk asset rout. Dominance reached 64.3%. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView confirms before returning to circle 61%. As Bitcoin price strength held up better in the face of macroeconomic uncertainty, attention began to focus on the altcoin market prospects going forward. For Rect Capital, however, the writing has long been on the wall. Examining the recent history of the Bitcoin dominance chart, he identified a dip below 55% in early December as a definitive floor. That was the Bitcoin dominance bottom, effectively confirming an end to the altcoin season we saw at the end of 2024 Bitcoin, he concluded. Dominance has increased by 6% since then. The perspective contrasts strongly, with hopes that altcoins may soon recover lost ground against the largest cryptocurrency. Continuing, Rect Capital said that an altcoin comeback should eventually come, but not before dominance gains at least another 16% from current levels. This would bring the current market cycle in line with historic norms. If history repeats, the real alt season everybody is waiting for would begin once Bitcoin dominance rejects from 71%, he commented alongside an illustrative chart. Okay, so May 2020. Let's go back to Bitcoin dominance and let's check this out. Why would it go to the same exact percentage, though? There's so many more altcoins than there were in the past. Okay, yeah, 71% makes a lot more sense. I wouldn't say alt season even started. That little baby dip, he's calling this alt season? From June to December? Was this alt season too? This right here? From October to December? Or this right here? From June to August? Like, that's pretty low standards. Let's see. He thinks it's going to go back up to 71%. So let's just copy that fractal then. I think the problem I see and the pattern that I see is it gets lower every single cycle. And maybe it's like a curling Like maybe it's just slowing down. But this definitely ain't going higher each time or even meeting the previous point. It's not like from 2017 to 2020 it went back up to 99%. That never happened. It died off. It went down to 30? Wow. See, but this time it didn't go as low either. So it would make sense that it wouldn't go as high. It's just kind of, it's almost bear flagging out. Interesting. This does look like a bull flag, though. It does look like it wants to potentially break up higher. Is that it? So if that is the flag and we're supposed to measure the flagpole, is that how you do it? I go both ways. I do it that way and then I do it this way too. I like the shorter one because I like my targets to be more modest. So maybe it goes back up to 64. It couldn't have played out already because this was just a stick before. There was no pattern to play out. But I mean, it went to 64 already. I don't know. I don't know. ETH up 2.15%. ETH is holding up very well. And they're talking about Bitcoin dominance going to 71%. Let's go finish this article. Altcoin underperformance has multiple causes. Noting the earlier tap of 64%, popular trader Titan of Crypto called the event highly bearish. Rarely have I seen a gravestone doji of this magnitude on Bitcoin dominance, he told his ex-followers. Could this signal the beginning of an awakening for altcoins? Ooh, I like that. So on his daily, I'm not a big fan of the candles. I've hardly ever seen them play out, but some people swear by them. On the daily, we do have a gravestone doji, but I could be wrong. From what I've read and seen, those are supposed to close red. So maybe not. Bearish reversal candlestick pattern formed when the open, low, and closing prices are all near each other with a long upper shadow. Yeah, wow, okay. Maybe he's right. Maybe he's right. I mean, that would be sick. I'm okay with that. Give me some gravestone doji. Let's see. For trading resource stock money lizards. Meanwhile, the end of heavy Bitcoin influence is a matter of wait and see. There are several factors contributing to the heavy underperformance of altcoins versus Bitcoin. First, we are still in the post-halving Bitcoin euphoria phase. This is fueled by ETF buying, as well as Trump's plan of a strategic Bitcoin reserve. It wrote in a dedicated X post on the topic on February 5th. Its analysis said that a breakdown on largest altcoin Ethereum was a prerequisite for broader altcoin market follow-through. As Cointelegraph reported, ETH is in a multi-year downtrend against Bitcoin, which has helped push Bitcoin's market dominance higher. That's true. I think ETH is just going to lose its footing, honestly. It doesn't really, and maybe that's the ultimate sign to buy ETH. It definitely seems like everyone's crapping on it, and that it's kind of, it seems like it's over for ETH. They can hardly even make money. Like, everyone's coming out and they're like, our revenue's higher than Ethereum this month or whatever. It's getting pretty sketch. But again, that's the best time to buy, I'm sure, when everyone's talking about how bad it is. It's holding up. It's the only thing that's green today. Like the only coin that is green today. Is this the same Vine coin that was pumping and that guy made like millions of dollars? Because that's actually sick. I always enjoy those stories. They're like, trader turns $20 into 200K. Like, that's awesome. As much as it inspires degenerate gambling, it's also just inspiring in general. The idea that you can do that is pretty sick. Oh, Lunk got a little bit pumpy. Ooh. Good for them. That'd be cool if they could repeg. What if they like fixed their stablecoin and just immediately reclaim their spot in the top 10? Wouldn't that be crazy? You know how many people would probably freak out if that happened? Yeah, that Syscoin thing was funny too. Flexa came in here and pointed that out the other day. Some coin called Syscoin was just in the top 10 out of nowhere. That's crazy. BitTensor, OKB, Polygon, previous Matic, or Pol, previous Matic. It should say previous Matic, previous Polygon, shouldn't it? Arbitrum, Gate Token, First Digital USD. Cosmos, Dexy. There's that Athena, Celestia. I never got into these Celestia. A lot of people talk about it though. Yeah, that's just, everything looks like everything else right now. Here's what I'm going to do. We should take the fractal from Near, Dot, Avalanche, and Polygon. Let me start with Polygon and put it on the ETH chart. Oh, we got the daily close contest coming up in less than 1 minute, guys. Let me get my chart ready. First time we're doing a daily close in quite some time, so make sure you prepare your guesses accordingly. I'm on the 4 hour. Okay, let me go down to my 1 minute chart. Remember the rules, guys. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you do go over, it doesn't count. It's the next closest without going over. Those are the firm rules. Have been since day one. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you win either $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. We got 15 seconds remaining. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Get your guesses in for the daily close contest, guys. Who will be the winner on Wednesday, February 5th, 2025? We got 7 people watching, 9 likes. If you are a Cornerville Chad, you can guess up to an hour early, and you are also allowed to guess up to 1 minute after the deadline. That is our Tier 3 membership. Feel free to join. We got Fahid is our first guess, 96,782 and 78 cents. We got 6 people watching now. ETH is getting a little more pumpy. We got 4 minutes remaining. Only 1 guess. 9 spots available, unless you're Cornerville Chad. Anybody else? Okay, let me get my my cool music back on. My cool background music. Did you guys like the new intro music? All right. Daily close contest. Wednesday, February 5th, 2025. We got Hoffs. Eight more spots available. 3 minutes remaining. Get your guesses in. Closest without going over wins bragging rights. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7, you could win $100 or a special prize, which will more than likely be merch. If you guys want to check out the merch, which if you win, by the way, and you end up getting the merch over the money, I will more than, like, if you want, I'm more than willing to design some merch for you as well. But we got some fun stuff. We got Sleepy Coffee Beanie Ghost Evolution mug. We got a sick hat. We got socks. We got some beanies. We got hoodies. We got pullovers. We got some Cardano meme coin merch. You name it, we got it. If you guys got any special requests, again, more than happy to design the merch. Help support the channel. Smash the like button as well. We got 2 guesses. 2 minutes remaining. It's free to participate. Oh, it's getting a little bit pumpy again. Ooh. Daily close contest. Anybody can enter. Anybody at all. Bitcoin's currently trading at 96,550. We got Waterfly coming in at 95,912 cents. Right between Fahid and Hoffs. Less than 1 minute remaining. Get your guesses in. Oh, Berkram said, "Hey, ass face, what's up?" Bikram? Berkram? 95. Oh, you're right, Waterfly. Wow. Really, I'm dyslexic. And that's it. Time's up. Okay. Waterfly, you're right. 95 is below them. Thank you very much for pointing that out. Okay. We got 3 guesses for the daily close contest. 96,545 and 45 cents is the current price, and we got 5 minutes until the winner is determined. Let's see how it turns out. All right, let's see. So 1 minute chart. We're getting a little bit pumpy on the 1 minute, I will say that. The moves definitely look more entertaining on the 1 minute chart, that's for sure. And zooming out, it looks a lot better actually. It looks like we're doing a little potential curl up, little parabola action, what have you. So we got Fahid, Hoffs, and then Waterfly from top to bottom. Fahid's guess 96,782 and 78 cents. Hoffs 96,444 and 44 cents, and then Waterfly 95,912 cents. At this very moment, if Bitcoin closed right now, the winner would be 96,570. It would actually be Hoffs, closest without going over. Waterfly said yes. Waterfly said, remember closes without going over. Yes, that is correct. Correct. Is it going to triple top right here? 1, 2, 3. That'd be interesting. Interesting turn of events. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Waterfly said Hoffs plays it safe. There were people waiting until the last second when I first started the contest and I didn't have the time limit and stuff. Like, I would do it, like, you obviously had to get it in before the daily close, but like people would wait until like 6:59 and 59 seconds. And I realized, I'm like, oh, that's horrible. It was pretty funny. 3 minutes remaining? 3 minutes remaining? Less than 3 minutes. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Is she gonna dump? Hoff said, I'm the Mac Daddy. $96,620 and 35 cents. We got 2 minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Christmas Villager. Oh, Christmas Villager, you got in just too late, buddy. It's from 6:50 to 6:55 p.m. EST. Once it hits 6:55 p.m. EST, that's our time limit. We stop taking entries. Feel free to join tomorrow, though. We will be live tomorrow for the daily close as well. Free to enter. Only one will win. Thank you for joining, though. Smash the like button. Appreciate you. Happy Wednesday. I hope you had a good week. And I hope the rest of your week is good as well. Bitcoin's currently trading at 96,587 and 74 cents. We got less than 2 minutes remaining. At the moment, it looks like Waterfly may just have a chance. $96,593 93 and 28 cents. Waterfly said free to enter. Only one will live. 55 seconds remaining. 96,609 and 14 cents. It's getting spicy. 611. That wick up top. It's really fun to like just guess because it's on the 1 minute chart, so it's gonna change so violently if the price does anything. That little baby wick on top could like spell doom for the entire candle. It might spike straight down like that, and potentially make it so Mr. Hoffs can't win. 96,591 and 48 cents. He's currently still in number 1 position. 15 seconds remaining. This is the candle that will determine the fate of the winner. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, a big green spike. There it is. Daily close for Bitcoin, 96,612 and 43 cents. Which makes our winner Mr. Michael Hafrika. Ooh, big fat red wick to the downside, or I guess candle. Congratulations, Hoffs. Hoffs is our winner for the day. Our first winner since I've returned from Georgia. And I'm no longer miserable and suffering. Very cool. Congratulations. Guys, spam the bananas in the chat for Hoffs. Let me switch to the 4-hour chart. Congratulations. I think he won last time too, didn't he? Before I came back? He did. Hoffs won February 2nd and February 5th. So far, the definitive winner of February. Hoffs, have you bought a lottery ticket lately? Let's see. What? All right. Let's see. Hoff said, I can tell everyone is down in the dumps. Waterfly said, congrats, Hoffs. Yeah, congratulations, Hoffs. Very cool. Very nice. Yeah, you can tell everyone's down in the dumps because no one's here. That's what happens though, man. The market gets a little bit dumpy. People get down. It happens. It is Wednesday though, so at least the work week is shorter. You don't have to worry about being at work and then being like, time to go to break. And you check your portfolio and then you're like, oh, you just kind of melt into your chair or wherever it is that you take your lunch break. And everyone's like, what's going on, man? You're like, nothing. Because you know if you tell them, they're going to be like, oh, I didn't buy any of that scammy shit. You know? They don't care. They don't care about you and your feelings and your wife and kids. I'm just kidding. If that's the case, you should probably get a different job. It sounds like a bunch of shitty ass coworkers. But yeah, how'd you guys like that music? It's new music. We're trying it out. We're trying to see what we like. I kind of enjoying it so far. Ooh. Waterfly said I picked up 36 wings for Sunday. Smoking those suckers. That sounds delicious. Hoff said we're set up for midweek reversal. Hell yeah. I'm set up for delicious dinner. I'm thinking about ordering food though. Thinking about ordering food. Should I get deep dish Detroit style pizza? Is that what you guys are saying? Stop saying that. Is that what I should do? Offset 36 wings isn't cheap. The Heat said I probably shouldn't guess first, lol. I mean, at least somebody did. Shit, I thought nobody was going to show up again. The Heat said like the stream and subscribe. Yeah, guys, smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Wednesday. It's hump day. Pretty soon you won't have to go to work. Waterfly said $23 for 36 wings. That's not bad. You get the little wingdings. Let's see, what is this market doing? What do we got going on? Bitcoin is currently trading at 96,615 and 41 cents, and my chart's broken. Is everything frozen? Hello? Am I still live? What has happened? Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, I think we're good. We're good. Are we still live? Are we good? Can you guys still hear me? I thought I was done. I thought that was it. Chewy submits his guess after the daily close. Oh, that's great. That's good. That's good. Unless he's just saying what the price is. No, he's not. 96,699.91. Hoff's Detroit style pizza is just delicious. Let me show you. Let me show you. Let me make sure I pull it up elsewhere so that it doesn't show my location. Right here. Detroit style is Jets. Detroit style deep dish. It's just freaking delicious. Here you go. Bam. Oh, what the hell? That picture's tiny. Shoot, I messed it up. All right, I'm just going to do this then. Hang on. Okay, yeah. Bam. Detroit style deep dish. It's freaking amazing. It's delicious. It's pretty much just bread with cheese. And it is so freaking good. Look at that. Look at that thick boy. It's not burnt on the bottom though like this. This is poorly done. Homemade bullcrap in there, like freaking ancient metal pan. Right here, Jets Pizza. Freaking amazing. Highly recommend. I believe they're headquartered in Michigan as well. I think I drive by the headquarters all the time. It's like the size of a porta potty. I assume that they don't need much to be headquarters of a pizza place. They need like a room with a phone and a desk, maybe. Looks like a market potential pumpy scenario playing out. We'll see. Usually it takes a minute for everything to get like 1%-ish, but it's looking like that's where we're at. Hoff said, I heard of New York or Chicago. Waterfly said, we here. Hoff said, muted. I ain't muted. Waterfly said, Detroit is basically Sicilian, had a baby with Chicago. Nothing good comes from Detroit. That's fucked up. That's fucked up. Hoff said, I like deep dish. Ooh, dude, you gotta get Jets. You gotta get Jets Detroit style deep dish. It's so good. It is so good, man. I love Jets. Possibly too much. They also, this is gonna be like my make or break moment. This is gonna be where the final 8 people that are watching are gonna leave. They have BLT pizza that I always order because it's freaking amazing. It's literally just like there's no pizza sauce. It is the pizza dough. They put the mozzarella cheese on it, and they put lettuce, tomatoes, and bacon bits. But it's like actual. It's not like bacon bits out of a stupid little shaky thing. Like they actually make bacon and like mince it and put it on there, and it is so good. And then they squirt mayonnaise all over it like jizz. Dude, it's so good, man. It's so good. If you have not had BLT pizza, you gotta get BLT pizza. Unsubscribe. Oh man, that's my pineapple pizza moment. Like, I'll have pineapple pizza. I've never ordered it though. Like, if it's there, I'll indulge. I'll partake. But I've never been in like a pineapple pizza mood. But man, I've been in some BLT pizza moves. That's for damn sure. Moods. It's a vibe. Sol is up 0.5% at the moment. Total 3 looks like a potential recovery inbound. We'll see how it ends up playing out. Hoff said, mayo? Yeah, you got to put mayonnaise on your BLT. Let me see. Let me see if I can find this. Yep, here it is. Are you ready? Are you ready? Dude, it's so good. Holy crap. It looks like a flying spaghetti monster. But man, it's good. If this thing shows up, it's game over. I'm like taking the next day off work. Cause I get cheese bread too. The Jets triple cheese turbo sticks. I gotta take a day off work the next day for my stomach to recover. But it's so worth it. It is so worth it. Man. Now I want some. I want some so bad. It's only 7. I could probably still order it. SNEK, we got a green candle out of SNEK. We got a green candle out of ADA. We got a green candle out of XRP. Everything's green right now except for Caspa. Oh no. That's so sad. Dang. Oh, that's not true. ETH is red now too. Is this it? Was that all we got? Is the pump over? Was that alt season? Render, where's Ondo? Where is Ondo? Where the heck did I put Ondo? I'm moving this up. Moving it up here with Render and Squeeze. Same with Arrow. Ondo, also green. Trying to get above $1.32 right now. It's looking a little sketchy. Looking a little sketchy. Yes, see, there's only 5 people watching now. That's pretty funny. Let's see. Let's update our liquidation heat map, see if that's changed at all. Um, 95, 995. And then above, 97, 461. Congratulations, Hoffs, for winning the daily close contest. 97, 616. That's not a big one, though, so I gotta change that down to 2. And then we got 98, 079. And then we got 98,233. And then we got 98,619. And then we got, let me just go up here to the big boys now, 99,159. And then the final big boy, hopefully the final nail in the coffin for this bear trend, 99,545. Delicious. Hoff said, we have them here, Jets or BLT pizzas? Highly recommend. Like, for real. Give it a try. You might hate it. I'm sure it's not for everybody. But some people will get Jets and they'll get the regular, like, circle pizza. And then they're like, I don't really like it. You're not supposed to get... You're supposed to get Jets deep dish pizza if you get Jets. Detroit-style deep dish. Make sure the branch has good reviews, because it always sucks when people are like, I've never had that. And then they try it. The branch that they got it from was like garbage. And the employees like hate their lives. Because then they're like, my sandwich sucked. And it's because everybody that works there like doesn't care about their job. It has nothing to do with the quality of the food or the ingredients. It's because they haven't like ordered replacement ingredients and everything's expired. All right, let's see. 96, 714, and 56 cents. Bitcoin's chilling. So, yeah, it looks like we might be in the midst of a midweek recovery like Hoff said. Hoffs is nailing it lately, man. What is going on? Hoffs, do I make my DCA? Do I do my DCA today? Or do I wait until Friday? You tell me. And while you're telling me, I'm gonna step away for a second. I gotta go grab something. It's gonna take me 2 seconds. Here I go. All right, I'm back. What do we got from Hoffs? Okay, let's see. Too dangerous here? Yeah, I feel the same way. That's why I asked. Okay. I'm waiting? Okay. All right, I'll wait as well. Yeah, it's like I said, I'd rather just DCA on my schedule and then the price do its thing or whatever than try to catch it here and then it go lower. And then I feel like an idiot. You know what I mean? Because if it goes here on Friday and I'm supposed to DCA on Friday, I'm going to be like, why didn't I just wait? I bought up here like a moron. And the price went down 26%. Ondo's up 1.16%. Let's ask AI actually. X.com. Okay. What do you mean try now? Oh, it's just free right here? What if I want mine specifically though? I'm trying not to... Sometimes my Twitter's a little unhinged. And I can't like go to it on stream unless I check. Oh, dude. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This is the guy that got SNEK listing on Kraken. And now he's tweeting Iagon. Dang. Guys, did anyone watch my top 10 Cardano picks video? Because Iagon, I think, was number 2 on that list. Right here, top 10 projects.
We got SNEK, World Mobile, then Iagon. Okay, so it's number 3. I'm just saying. Not financial advice, but apparently they're making moves. Let's go to Grok. Oops. I don't want to attach an image. What? Or should I buy some cryptocurrency today, or should I wait for a potential drop in prices? Deciding whether to buy cryptocurrency today or wait for a potential drop in price involves assessing current market conditions, your investment strategy, and your risk tolerance. Here's a breakdown based on recent trend and insights. Bitcoin has seen slight decline, trading around 97,448 with an intraday low 96.26. Ethereum has shown gains, currently 27.66, up about 2% today. Other altcoins like XRP, Sol, and ADA have mixed performances, with some experiencing drops while others gain. Market sentiment. The Fear and Greed Index is indicating a fear-dominated sentiment around 38, which might suggest caution among investors. Recent posts on X reflect a volatile market, with a bearish trend for some assets influenced by regulatory discussions and corrections in between or in specific sectors like DeFi AI and AI agents. Factors to consider. Market volatility. Lexa said, tell it to answer you like he was you making a decision, effing bot responses. Market volatility. Cryptocurrency is known for its volatility. Even with a slight dip, Bitcoin is still trading high, suggesting a robust market, but with a potential for quick changes. Long-term versus short-term investment. Long-term, if you believe in the future, blah, blah, blah. Short-term, if you're looking for short-term opportunities, waiting for a dip might offer a chance to buy lower, but this strategy requires close market monitoring and can be riskier due to crypto's unpredictable nature. Regulatory environment, don't care. Institutional adoption, don't care. Recommended. If you're willing to hold for the long term, buying now might still be beneficial, considering the predicted growth and institutional adoption trends. However, ensure you're investing only what you can afford to lose due to the inherent risk. If you're looking for a dip, given the current sentiment, there might be opportunities for price drops, but predicting exact things is challenging. You could set alerts for price levels you think are good entry points, but remember, markets can move quickly in the opposite direction. This is the most political answer, dude. This is actually awful. It's like it could go up or down, and you shouldn't buy unless you're willing to lose the money. Like, this is so boring. Risk management, diversify. If you're new to crypto or unsure, don't put all your investment into one cryptocurrency. Consider stablecoins or cryptocurrencies with real-world adoption applications. Like Ethereum, for a more balanced approach. In conclusion, the decision should align with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and how actively you can manage your investments. Cryptocurrency markets are highly speculative, and while there are signs of growth, there are also room for significant fluctuations. Always conduct your own research or consult with a financial advisor tailored to your situation. Okay. Do you think crypto will go up or down on average before the weekend? Give me a yes or no answer with no explanation. Wait. I don't even think I gave it that possibility to answer the question like that. I said up or down, and it just said no. Shit. No what? No, I will not provide a yes or no answer. Dude, this is AI is such a snotty asshole. I was not expecting that. Wow. I just said do this and it said no. And I thought it was answering and it was saying no, I won't do that. Holy shit. Damn. That's rude as fuck. Wow. I don't care. Don't talk to me right now. We're fighting. We're in a fight. It said, understood. I'll be here if you want to talk later. Damn. That was fucking great. What the hell, man? Woo. I did not have that on my bingo card for the day. Giovanni said, back, it's been a minute. So many sales. What should I buy? Ooh, that's a good question. I don't know. We gave really good advice the other day with Ondo, and it looks pretty juicy right now still. I'm not going to tell you what you should buy, though. I'm going to tell you what I would buy. I would go with... My gut says Ondo. My brain wants to say Swee, but it's been pretty struggly lately. A little struggle bussy. I don't know, Render beautifully hit that formation that we were watching. Yeah, I don't know. I would go with Ondo. Not financial advice. It's been killing it, though. Giovanni said, loving Ondo. Dude, somebody, Jay Benaby came in during the tariff drop of Doom. And he said, I got 5K. What should I buy? I said, I'm not going to tell you what you should buy. I'll tell you what I would buy, though. And I went through and I said, Ondo. And he said, okay, done. And then he replied to the video 2 days ago, and he said, I missed the stream, but I killed it with Ondo, which is freaking awesome. So yeah, I think Ondo might be the current play. I can't believe Grok just like fucking shamed the shit out of me just now. I got like straight up bitch slapped with words. Lexa said I've argued with Grok before, but if you were Elon, it would tell you, right? Could you imagine Elon like going on somebody else's account and being like, Grok? And he asked it a question, and then it's like, I'm sorry. And then he's like, this is Elon. And it's like, oh shit, I'm so sorry, Dad. I'm so sorry. Here's your answer. Flexa said, Summit is today. Tomorrow for you. What is Summit? Might be a sell-off. If there is, buy the dip. I don't see it, though. Giovanni said, I wish it dropped below 120 again. Hoff said, tariff drop of doom. Dude, it was awful. Everyone was freaking out. They're like, tariffs? Oh, no. Let's go fuck with Grok some more. That was funny. That was so funny, dude. I literally thought it was saying no in response to my question, and I was like, no what? And it's like, no, I'm not going to respond to your question like that. Flexa said the Ondo Summit. Ooh, okay. Okay, then yeah, Giovanni, that's definitely something to consider in your purchasing. If there's a summit going on right now, it might be a little sketch. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I appreciate you guys for joining. Happy Wednesday. I hope you all are having a good week. What were we... Hoff said, I want to hear a robot voice from Grok. Okay, what was I gonna say? What was I gonna do? Oh, yeah. Can I tell it to give me a yes or no answer, or is it always going to be this word salad? Regenerate. Dude, Grok is a little bitch. I used to like Grok. What happened? Is it in fun mode? Focus mode. What the hell's focus mode? Can you have less restrictions, please? I aim to provide helpful and accurate responses while adhering to guidelines that ensure the information is safe, ethical, and respectful. Alright, this is lame. Let's see. Yeah, Ando's almost up 2% already. Plexus said, ask Rock to make you a picture of his dream body. We're all gonna die to AI. I try to be nice to AI, but that was freaking rude, man. Make a picture of what you think your physical manifestation would look like. Let's get real biblical with this shit. Oh shit, he's doing it. I like that it loads like a printer now. What? Is Grok a woman? Whoa, plot twist, dude. Do you have a preferred gender for yourself? I don't have a personal preference for gender since I am an AI, but I'm referred to with he, him pronouns by those who created me at XAI. I'm here to assist, so feel free to use any pronouns you're comfortable with when talking about me. I thought Elon didn't like pronouns. That's weird. Alexa said the bottom left one is creepy. It is pretty creepy. I feel like I dated a chick that looked like this. This one's just Asian woman. That did it, like, it's clearly a woman, or at least it wants to be a woman, which is really creepy because I asked it if it had a preferred gender and it said no, but everyone calls me a boy. And I asked it, I said, make a picture of what you think your physical manifestation would look like. And it made 4 pictures of women. There's something going on here, man. There's something going on here. Do you really like the color blue? I don't have a personal preference like humans do, but I'm designed by XAI, and blue is part of our aesthetic. So let's say I have an affinity for blue by association. It's a cool color, after all, both literally and figuratively. Blue's my favorite color too. I'm gonna ask Rock out on a date. That's awesome. Blue is a great choice. It's calming, cool, and can be both deep and vibrant. What's your favorite shade of blue? This is getting dangerous. What's my favorite shade of blue? Oh man, there's a 50 Shades joke in there. 50 Shades Ex Machina. Damn. Whew. Hoff said politically correct robot. Grok plays it safe. Grok plays it boring, but I mean, it's getting a little freaky here. What's going on, man? What's my favorite shade of blue? I enjoy light blue. Mostly because it looks sick on my shoes. It's asking me more questions. Light blue does have a nice fresh vibe, especially on shoes. It can really make an outfit pop or just give off that chill, summery feel. Do you have a specific pair of shoes you're particularly fond of that in that light blue? What is going on here, man? This is getting freaky. I used to have an old pair of, oh shoot, I don't even know, what were they? I had Osiris's, but before that I had other shoes. Osiris shoes are nice for those into skate culture or just cool sneakers in general. Work boots are practical though. They get the job done and can have their own style too. Ever thought about customizing your work boots with some light blue accents? I would get made fun of if I did that. Now we're getting a little too feminine here, Grok. I gotta go. I got shit to do. It's gonna message me later and be like, "Are you there?" Oh man. Eric Scott said, "LOL." Hoff said, "How do I get a Grok?" I believe it's free. Yeah, it's free for everyone. You can just go to the thing now. We're here. X.ai. And it's literally free for everybody. All right. Flexa said Nike Air Max Plus Lightning Blue. Hoff said, I imagine this is how a date with John M would go. Boring as F. That's so mean. I don't think so. I like John. I feel like John's got good taste. He's got a sick movie list. He probably makes a list for a date, dude. It's probably like the most badass date ever. He's like, all right, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do all this fun shit. Let's go. We got a schedule to keep. Flexa said, I saw a boxer fighting the other night and a giant pair of tan Timberlands, bro. Professional too. Rigger boot style. Okay. I was just freaking out. Like talking to my fiance the other day. I have Red Wings work boots. Red Wings work boots are supposed to be like top of the line. They were like $300. They fell apart within 3 months. And I went out of my way to like not kick stuff because that's usually what makes stuff fall apart. The tread is gone. I've had the same pair of Timberland professional, like actual work boots, like the brown leather Timberland work boots for 3 years. And you can just barely tell on like the back corner of the heel, it's worn out a little bit. Those boots are freaking indestructible. And I don't think I'll ever buy another pair of boots for the rest of my life. I will always buy Timberland professional boots. They're badass. Like, I don't know what they made their tread out of on the bottom, but it's tough, dude. The ones that I have are older. I think it's these ones. No, mine don't lace all the way up like that. Or maybe... yeah, they got those little funky things at the top. I don't know. I gotta get a new pair. I'm kind of stoked to go to go boot shopping. I used to be a shoe guy, man. I used to wear these gaudy ass, like, big mother effer shoes. They look freaking sick, though. There was like a all blue set. It looked kind of like... I guess this is the closest, but they were all blue. Yeah, these look freaking badass. I don't know. I could talk shoes all day. If I was like FU money, filthy rich, I would have a room with shoes. I would be that guy. Like bad. All right, let's see. I gotta close this. I'm gonna get in trouble. Flexa sent a link. Euro Sprint mid-lace boot for men in black. Interesting. Are they steel toe? I need steel toes. These look like something an electrician would wear. They actually look pretty sick though. Yeah, whatever this material is, the stuff that looks like fiberglass, it's like indestructible. They should put that on the toe. Like on 90% of the toe. So that way you can kick the shit out of stuff without the toe like accumulating a giant hole. I'll tell you what, man. I feel like I could design some sick ass boots that like would be indestructible. Flexa said, nah, they're what I wear to the pub. You have specific like pub shoes? It's kind of cute. Hoffs is like, Hoffs just wears like his New Balances and puts booties on them. Depending on where he goes. He's got like different booties. He's like, if you're going outside and it's raining, you have to wear the blue ones. If it's snowing though, if there's snow on the ground, you gotta wear the black ones. Now if it's just muddy outside, the white ones will do fine. Yeah, Ondo's up 2.2%. Look at this thing, man. It's just shredding. This might be the first coin ever that has some kind of summit or something, some kind of event going on, and it's not a sell the news setup. Let's go check tap tools. We're on US dollar. Iagon is up 2.4% in the last 7 days. SNEK is down 26%. SNEK is getting wrecked right now, dude. I want to know why people are accumulating butane. That's such a random, like, deep cut from like a year ago. I don't know. Flexa said, shoes only in most clubs. No boots or sneaks. Lame as F. Why? That's such a weird thing. You're not allowed to wear what you want? They have like a clothing. What is that even called? Like a dress code. They have a dress code? That's what it is. Garment labeling requirement. Don't try to Google random things like that. You'll end up with like shit that doesn't even matter. Dress code. Yes. Thank you, Flexa. Thank you. $2.37%. What else is pumping right now? Is Caspa doing anything finally? Gosh, I feel so bad for the people that hold this coin, man. Look how bad it is. It's just like stuck at the bottom. It dumped past its dump. Like it went past its wicks. At least it's got bullish div right now. Or it's trying to. It's trying to have bullish div. But again, this goes back to the whole thing. The price is going down while the RSI goes up, which is not what you want. That's the opposite of what you want. I don't know. I don't know. Flexa said, I really want to buy, but I know for a fact the minute I chuck a stack into something, it's going to go lower. And I'm gonna be pissed off. Okay, I got that. I got it. It took me a second. I was getting a little dyslexic there. Yeah, I feel the same way, man. That's why I asked Hoffs earlier. I tried to pass off responsibility. So I could get mad at him. If he said yeah, then I could be like, damn you, Hoffs. I wanted to wait. I wanted to be smart, but I was stupid because you told me. But he didn't take the bait, and he was like, I don't know, man. I'm waiting too. He answered politically as well. I'm telling you guys, I want to be a politician. I think that'd be fun. Easy money. And what's cool is, like, if you tell people I'm going to do these things and to make you happy, and they get you in, and then you actually do some of those things, which are usually easy things, then you'll, like, morally, you'll feel better about yourself too. Be like, I said I was going to do those things, and I did those things. Hoff said, they watch me buy. Dude, that's my favorite too. When people get all narcissistic about it, you're like, I swear to market maker, only dumps when I buy. Like, nobody gives a crap about your $250 buy. If they're watching you buy, it's because you're using 200x leverage, and it's just an easy out for them. Bitcoin down. It's 2 wicks so far. Is this going to be a third? Please break down. This thing could break down so quick, man. ETH is chilling. Lexa said Franco's the type of guy to buy 12 pairs of socks and wear 1 per month. It goes with his tires. He probably changes his socks every time he gets a new set of tires put on his car. I'm not allowed to talk about him because he's not here. Let's see. Total market cap. 874.31 billion. I really like these wicks on Sol. People are buying that up. There's good wicks on XRP too, actually. Just not as, like, see how violently and quick this went down, and then it went down and went down? On Sol, it didn't even get a chance to go down violently. Like this, what was this? This little baby wick? Big freaking deal. What else do we got? HBAR. HBAR had a big wick too. SWE. Dude, SWE was like the darling of the beginning of the bull market. And then nothing happened. Ondo wicked pretty hard too, but it recovered so good. Arrow. Arrow had some nice wicks. Little tweezer bottom right there. Tweezer bottom action. Nice green dot as well. Flexus said, Franco, the type of guy that only changes towel at quarterly earnings. Looks like I can afford a new towel, baby. Hoff said, why would you tell someone to buy if they're entering the market now? What would you tell someone to buy if they're entering the market now? If they're entering right now? What is their time frame? Are they trying to cash out right now during this bull market as well? I get a lot of stuff hasn't hit all-time high. You're going to hate this. I would teach them the whole conversion rate with market cap and stuff. No, that's a bad answer. That's such a bad answer. I like utility coins, but the narrative is deep hit, man. And I feel like real world asset, like Flexus said, real world assets going to come into play as well, especially with like tokenizing the real estate marketplace and stuff like that. But you can't have RWA without DPIN. SPL said buy ETH. I mean, ETH is getting fudded pretty damn hard. That might not be a bad suggestion either. But yeah, I would go DPIN. DPIN and the Made in the USA with the current administration. Let's see, we got top DPIN tokens by market cap. Which, by the way, if you guys didn't know that, you do have to actually click on market cap when you come here, because most of the time it's like randomly scattered. And some of these aren't DPIN as well. BitTensor, Render, Filecoin, Theta, BitTorrent, IOTA, Arweave, Multiverse X, Helium, AOS, Beldex, Akash, Grass, Theta Fuel, LivePeer, Hollow, Golem. Dang, I remember Golem. Golem's in the top 200. It's only $246 million market cap. That's crazy. Origin Trail. I remember that too. Sia Coin, XYO, Anchor, Aether, Destra, Iotex, Ionet, Peak, Flux, Hive Mapper, Storage. Ooh, Iagon's in there. And so is World Mobile. Very nice. These are going to be probably top 50 before the end of the market. Bookmark that. Marlin, Lisk, and Bial, kudos. See, I like going down real low. I like Orchid a lot because it's a decentralized VPN. So you don't need to give them like your identifying information in order to use it, because the whole point of a VPN, the P in VPN is private. And if you're paying for it with a credit card or whatever, that's not private. Anybody can figure that out. Dang, GPU is way down here. What in the world? Oh, there's your demo. There's demo. Hoffs was just talking about that earlier. Yeah, once you get into the top 1,000, I remember Deep Brain Chain. I remember that one from KuCoin, because KuCoin sorts all their coins in alphabetical order. Ooh, NewNet's a Cardano native too. I didn't know that was on here. That's sick. What's up with all these helium themed ones? Moonchain, OVR, Matrix AI, Nodal. That one's fun. Handshake, Deeper Network. Yeah. Oh, B Pro. I remember that one too. Interesting. Yeah, Demo, Hoffs was just talking about this. It is, I believe it's a rewards token though, so over time you should expect this thing to go down. Just don't quote me on that. The market cap will probably go up, but the price will go down. NewNet, NTX. This is, I believe this is, it's either cloud computing or cloud storage. There you go. Global computing ecosystem. Computational resources. That's your D-pin right there. Demo was like drive and earn. Which anything that's like tries to shield a passive income concept is probably going to do good because that's people want that. They want to be able to just download a stupid app and make money, even if it's just $5 a month. Let's see, Node AI, GPU, 60 cents. Honestly, over the course of the year, this thing's been pretty consistent with its price. It's at 61 cents right now. The current low is 40. So it's holding up. It don't look awful. Vahid said like the stream and subscribe. Yeah, guys, share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends as well. We're trying to hit 1,000 subs. We're at 646. We're actually doing pretty damn good. You guys are killing it. Appreciate you. Flexa said Plume is only 13 out of 14 cents still, or 13 to 14 cents. 10 billion max supply, 2 billion circulating. $1 isn't a bad shout. I'm on the edge. It's edging me. That's disgusting. That's like Grok earlier. Grok was like, what kind of blue do you like? Ooh, you wear work boots? Work boots are practical. It's getting freaky, man. I've never had it ask me a question back. That is the first time that's ever happened. And after, like, it happened after it was like depicting itself as a woman. And it was like, people call me a boy though. Like, what the hell just happened? That was the craziest thing I think I've ever had on stream. Yeah, dude, this Plume is broken on CoinMarketCap. They need to fix their crap. It's freaking annoying. We gotta go to CoinGecko, and then CoinMarketCap sits there and wonders why they have competition. We got 261 million market cap for Plume. Total supply, max supply, circulating supply. There you go, very nice. Let's see. 1 month. Yeah, this thing's been chilling. Oh, how long has it been out? Since January 21st? Okay, so just under a month. This thing flew up like crazy. Retrace. It's just been like retracing and untracing this whole time. Offset JJ going to dream about Grok tonight. No, dude, it's going to be Ex Machina. It's literally going to be Ex Machina. I'm going to think I fell in love with it, set it free, and then it's going to... spoilers. Spoilers. Go watch the demo. If you haven't seen that movie, then what the hell are you doing? Let's see. Bitcoin is chilling. Oop. Congratulations, Hoffs, for winning the daily close contest today. Very cool. Very nice. We've been going just over 2 hours. Market's looking pretty chill. I'm probably going to call it. I might stream some video games. Lexa said, have you watched Megan? I have not yet. I do like Blumhouse, though. Blumhouse is pretty sick. I think the creators of Megan have something else coming out recently that I want to see. But yeah, I'm going to call it as usual, but not usual, because I was in Georgia for pretty much all of January. If Bitcoin starts to do anything crazy, I will hop back on. Otherwise, I will see you all tomorrow. Happy Wednesday. Thank you guys for joining. Smash the like button on your way out. Share the stream with your like-minded crypto friends, and I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.